there. Is that we reschedule it? No problem. It takes the stress out of it. Let me just get back to the slides. Oh, I do want to show you something that is really ridiculous, but because I like playing with toys, we'll try something. As far as other kinds of cameras, let me see if I can do this. I just have to my iPad here, my iPhone, and now if I go here, you should be seeing this here. And so you're seeing this camera on the floor. And let me just bring up the controller. And so this is something you don't normally see in a wood turning demonstration. And so it's just kind of a fun thing to do, but it's just another camera. Now, it would probably get really annoying after a while. Yeah, it feels good, right?
He told me about this last week, and within 20 minutes I looked it up and it's on my wish list on Amazon now.
This particular drone is at $99. And now I bought the controller for it here. Well, it's amazing because the technology is provided by DJI. And by the way, let's see if we'll do this here. Do a little flip. Yeah, well, but what's cool about this doesn't have a GPS in it. It's actually doing optical sensing on the ground. And the fact, I used to try to fly radio-controlled helicopters, and yeah, it thinks that there's not enough light in here to fly. But I used to try to fly radio-controlled helicopters, and you launch the helicopter, and then you spend the next 2 hours repairing it. You know, so just being able to do this, and I could actually land it in my hand. It'll do 360s. But the point is, I'm just trying to show you that the way I'm doing this is being controlled by my iPhone. I took a cable out of the iPhone and just brought it into an HDMI controller in there. Oh, no, I just landed it. It will land by itself at low battery, too. But that's kind of a silly thing. And say, who is this guy who's going to try to do a drone flight during his demo? All right, thank you.